got that piece of wire in here, and I flipped my mask so it is now right sides out. And I am going to create a casing for my elastic. So all I'm gonna do for that is I'm just gonna kind of turn in these sides that I already kind of naturally want to turn in a little bit here. I'm gonna turn those, and then I'm gonna fold this inwards so that it is even with this finished edge here. So I've got a finished edge here and then a finished edge here that I've also folded in, and I'm just gonna take some pins and pin that in place on either side. And then this is going to become the casing for my elastic. So it's important as we sew this that we sew, I want to sew probably about where that stitch line is already there. I'm not sure if you can see that on this fabric here. There's that blue stitching line right there. I want to make sure that I am stitching on that blue stitching line, leaving this area open because my elastic is going to go right in through there and out the other side. Okay, so I want to go close to this finished edge here when I am sewing. So I'm going to do that on both sides. So again, I'm folding this side in here where it naturally already wants to fold, and then folding it up so that it is even with that other finished edge. So I've got this finished edge, which leaves a pocket, as you'll kind of see once this is pinned in place. I'll show you here. Okay, so I'm going to have my elastics on either side, and then I have a pocket here that goes all the way through. Now this could be to add another filter in there. So I've heard of some people adding Kleenexes or paper towels or coffee filters just to add another layer of protection in there with your mask. So you're going to go ahead, fold those sides in and then up so that your finished edge and this finished edge kind of match there, and then sew right along this casing and right along the edge of this casing. Okay, I will give you 2 days to do that, so 1 casing per day. Email with questions.